Can the Aviva signature increasing income plan increase your income with your evolving lifestyle needs over time? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what this policy is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan, and some of the key features of this policy are: it provides you with life insurance coverage, it offers guaranteed monthly income that increases every 3 policy years continuing until 100 years of age, it also ensures the claimant receives income as per the scheduled payout in case of the policyholder's demise during the premium payment term. It also returns 105% of the total premium paid at the end of the payout period. It allows for optional riders to enhance protection. It includes tax benefits as per the prevailing tax laws. It also offers a loan facility for added financial flexibility. Now, some of the benefits of this policy are: there is something called maturity benefit, which the policyholder will get once the policy matures. So, on survival, the policyholder will start getting guaranteed monthly income from the maturity date and thereafter payable at each monthly policy anniversary during the payout period. So this would increase by a simple interest of 15% every third anniversary of the payout period. In addition, the policyholder will also get 105% of the total premium paid along with the last payout of the guaranteed monthly income. So the maturity benefit here would be payable to be the nominee irrespective of whether the policyholder survives or not during the payout period. The death benefit is something the policyholder's nominee or legal heir will get if the policyholder unfortunately passes away during the policy term. So it can either be death sum assured or 105% of the total premium paid, whichever is highest at the date of death, that will be given as a death benefit. In addition to this, a guaranteed monthly income shall also be paid during the payout period to the nominee. So the first monthly guaranteed income shall start from the maturity benefits. So from the benefits, you can opt to receive a lump sum of your future income benefits at a discounted rate. By deferring the income benefit during the payout period is not allowed. And also, your income benefit is available only in monthly payout mode, and life coverage is not provided during the income payout period. So these are something to remember about the benefits available under this plan. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So the advantages are: you can enjoy a guaranteed monthly income up to the age of 100. You can avail a loan of up to 80% of the policy surrender value. You can switch between monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly premium payment options at any policy anniversary without any charges. You can benefit from an increase in income every 3 years. The maturity benefit is also payable to the claimant regardless of whether the life insured is alive during the payout period or not. The disadvantages are: the life cover offered in this policy is inadequate and does not extend into the income payout period. So income payouts may encourage unplanned spending. The overall returns are relatively low compared to other investment options, and the inability to defer income benefits may not suit your financial requirements, and monthly withdrawal also hinder the compounding growth potential of your investment. So these are some of the drawbacks you need to remember before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to analyze whether investing in this policy can give us better returns and greater liquidity in the long term or not. So, however, a guaranteed cash alone should not drive your investment decision in this policy because returns play a crucial role. That's why we are going to analyze the internal rate of return (IRR) from the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So let us assume that a 25-year-old male opts for the plan with a base sum assured of 8.80 lakhs. So the death benefit here is 23.52 lakhs. The premium payment term is 28 years followed by a 7-year deferment period, making the total policy term 35 years. So he pays an annual premium of 80,000 rupees. After completing the premium payment and deferment period, income benefit commence starting at 2.61 lakhs and increasing every 3 years. Additionally, a maturity benefit of 23.52 lakhs, which is 105% of the total premium, is paid at the end of the income payout period. The IRR for this cash flow is calculated to be 5.36% per this policy's income maturity calculator. So, while the plan offers guaranteed regular payout, the extended waiting period of 35 years to start receiving benefits significantly reduce the value when adjusted for inflation. So, by the time the income benefit begins, the amount to a relatively small sum in real term, considering rising living costs. So, though the plan ensures regular payout and life coverage over the long term, its return falls short of the inflation rate. The annual payout may be insufficient for major expense, and with no option to defer benefits, it might lead to unnecessary spending. Additionally, the life cover is inadequate to meet a family's long-term financial needs. So the income payout period begins at age 60 and continues for 40 years irrespective of the survival of the policy holder. So while the plan does provide guaranteed benefit, the combination of low return, insufficient life coverage, lack of flexibility makes it unsuitable for achieving long-term financial goals. So now, as we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome we need from it, now we are going to explore an alternative investment strategy by using the same parameters from the previous example. So the strategy here is to separate the insurance and investment components and invest in it separately. So for life cover purpose, let us consider a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 25 lakhs. This policy requires an annual premium of 21,600 rupees for a 10-year premium payment term and a policy term of 35 years. This leaves us with 58,400 rupees annually compared to the premium we paid for the Aviva policy, which is available for investment. This can be allocated based on your risk appetite. So how we are going to allocate is for the first 10 years after paying the insurance premium, the surplus is invested. In the next 18 years, the entire 80,000 is directed towards investment. So for low risk investor, instruments like the PPF could be an option, while high risk investor might consider equity based option like equity linked savings scheme, ELSS scheme. So in this example, the funds are assumed to be invested in an ELSS fund. So here how we are going to calculate is to create a stream of regular cash withdrawal. The accumulated ELSS corpus can later be transferred to an instrument offering a 7% annual return. So the final investment value is structured to match the maturity benefit of the Aviva policy. So at maturity, the ELSS fund pre-tax value is 3.04 crores and the post-tax value is 2.70 crores. This corpus is then invested in a 7% return instrument generating regular withdrawal. So following a withdrawal pattern similar to the Aviva plan, the final value of the investment grows to 29.91 crores. So the combined post-tax IRR for this strategy combining pure term life insurance and ELSS investment is 8.63%. This approach provides returns that outpace inflation, and avoiding periodic withdrawals can enhance growth. So while planning for life's financial goals, separating life insurance and investment typically yields superior financial outcomes compared to traditional life insurance policies. So what is the final verdict on Aviva Signature Increasing Income Plan? Is it worth investing or not? So this plan offers guaranteed rising income and family financial protection, but it has notable drawbacks. The life coverage does not extend into the income payout period, and while the guaranteed income feature might appeal to those seeking regular cash flow, its returns are lower than even basic debt instruments. So the increasing income benefits are insufficient to cover major expenses and could lead to unnecessary spending. Furthermore, the sum assured falls short of meeting future financial needs, and it also has a high agent commission. So by combining insurance and investment, this policy underperforms in both areas. So the long-term investment, this plan fails to meet the expectation of most investors. So for those seeking regular income, it is more effective to invest separately rather than depend on cash payout from a life insurance policy. At the same time, protecting your family against unforeseen financial risk is crucial, and a pure term life insurance policy is the most reliable option for life coverage out there.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.